Have you ever tried making these crowd-pleasing flavor rolls at home? Hello, Sanbonani, and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Heat the pan, add the oil, and fry the sausage. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the sausage into pieces as shown in the video. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. I didn't have BBQ sauce. I made my own. In a bowl, mix the tomato sauce, the soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce if you are making yours too. Then add the honey, then the garlic powder and the onion powder and mix. Add the BBQ spice and mix until they are all blended. The BBQ spice is optional, but it makes great flavor. Unroll the cold defrosted pastry on a lined baking tray. Then brush it with BBQ sauce. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It is free to subscribe. Sprinkle the grated cheese and cover the whole pastry. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your loyal support. Mix the chopped bell peppers and sprinkle them over the pastry. What are your favorite fillings for the pastry rolls? Please put your comment down below. Place the sausage pieces on the pastry as shown in the video. Brush the sausages with the BBQ sauce. The other way is to fry the sausage together with the BBQ sauce to infuse the flavors. This is going to be nice. It's a combination of a savory sausage and buttery pastry. Cut the pastry and roll it closed. Cut and roll until the whole pastry is done. To support the channel, please press the like button and please do not forget to comment. As I was saying, this combination is a classic that appeals to many. So it is perfect for gatherings as well as lunch boxes or snack. It is served hot or cold any time of the day. Here I was using leftover egg white and I mixed it with an egg and herbs. You may use oregano or use mixed spice. Remember, we cook with what we have. Instead of an egg, you may also use milk. Then brush the pastries with the beaten egg or milk. Brush, 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 brush. Please do not leave dry patches because your pastry will be golden in some places and some will be pale. I decided to lay them on their sides because they kept opening up, and the other reason was to have that golden color on them. Bake them for 25 minutes or until they are golden. Please do not forget to press the like button and check my other snack recipes on my channel. I hope you will enjoy these rolls. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.